How did President Trump and so many of his top team become infected with COVID-19? Let's look at the guidelines introduced to stop the spread of coronavirus. Did the White House follow these rules? The CDC says people should, quote, wear cloth face coverings in public settings and when around people who don't live in their household. Shortly after he was released from hospital, President Trump took his mask off and walked inside the White House, even though most experts say he was still contagious. The CDC says event organizers should allow attendees to remain 6 feet apart and to prioritize outdoor activities as they're lower in risk. The nomination announcement of Amy Coney Barrett is being considered as a possible super spreader event. Even though gatherings with more than 50 people are banned under Washington, D.C. regulations, federal property like the White House is exempt. Proper social distancing clearly was not being followed by attendees of the Barrett announcement outside nor inside the White House. If you've tested positive for COVID-19, the CDC recommends to isolate and separate yourself from other people. While being treated for the virus, the president left his hospital room for a short drive outside. Critics say this photo op put Secret Service agents and other personnel at undue risk. The CDC says people who are infected should reach out to inform those they had close contact with, so they can get tested and help slow the spread. It's unclear just how close Donald Trump and Joe Biden may have got on the night of the debate. But Biden's team was not personally informed of Trump's diagnosis until the rest of the world found out. A member of the White House press pool who tested positive in the last week also said he hasn't been notified for contact tracing.
I've not been contacted by the White House. Nobody from the White House has said boo and asked anything about where I was.
And in New Jersey, officials complained that both the White House and the Republican Party gave insufficient data to start contact tracing in earnest after President Trump's event with high-paying donors at his golf club.
It is clear that the president and his staff acted recklessly in coming to New Jersey in the first place. We continue to need to see a more robust federal partnership here.